Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to White Tiger Qigong. Are you feeling anxious, stressed, or overwhelmed lately? If so, take a break and give a mindful time for yourself to deeply relax through this gentle Qigong routine designed specifically to calm your mind and body and harmonize your soul and to bring you into an inner peace in just minutes. Stand with feet shoulders width apart. Don't tuck the pelvis, just drop it. Elongate the spine, gaze straight. And place your hands on your lower dantian. When you are ready, close your eyes and feel the connection between heaven and earth, standing on your feet with just 10% tension. And feel like you are connected to the sky with a thin cord connecting you up to the heaven. Start to scan the body from head to toe, see how you are feeling today, and set an intention to calm the mind, the heart, and the breath. Starting with the cleansing breath to release tension. When you inhale, you expand the belly, the center, the chest, and when you exhale out, you blow out from the mouth and you repeat. Inhale, expand the belly, and exhale out, empty. Slowly and deeply. Open your eyes and start shaking. Shaking it out, release tension, excess of emotions, stress. Bouncing slightly the feet, shaking the wrists. And keep on breathing in and out through the nose. Connect to the breath and let it out. Move your hands to the side, above the head, to the heart, and start to accelerate your shaking. Speed your shaking, take a deep breath in, inhale, and when you exhale, bring your hands to the solar plexus level. And start to breathe in and out. When you inhale, you expand the hands, and when you exhale, the hands condense, creating your energy ball. Step out and start to twist side to side the spine, twisting the hips. Side to side, keep your spine in a 90 degrees level and twist side to side. Move to the right, keep on twisting back to the center, to the left, connecting to the yin energy to calm down. And slightly rotate up vertebra by vertebra. Step back to Zhuang position and start tilting to the side with nervous floating and back to center. Inhale, twist, open the palm and exhale back to center. Rotate the hands side to side. Gaze straight, stretch your eyes, look at the shoulders and come back to center and repeat. Come back to center and start with tilting side to side. Pinch one hand, flex the other, and engage the neck side to side. Exhale and inhale. Inhale to center and exhale. Bend the neck. Move with the breath. Start with head circles, rotating full circles slowly and deeply. Inhale, moving up, and exhale, moving down. Change direction. And back to center. Now open the chest and exhale down, tilting the pelvis. Inhale, open the chest, and exhale, tuck the pelvis down. Now starting with arms holding kidneys, stretch your arms up to the sky, rolling down. Hug your elbows, place your head in between your arms, rock side to side, place your hands on your feet, rolling up, place your hands on your kidneys, bend the knees, open the chest, inhale and then exhale. Inhale again, stretching the arms up to the sky, stretch moving down, rolling down, hold the elbows, rock side to side. Place your hands on your feet, moving slightly up and repeat. Open the chest, and now we start up again, pulling down the sky, and we start with the kidney meridians. Reaching up, open one leg to the side, stretch, pressing the toes down, place your hands in a fist and rolling up again, reaching up, stretch, moving down, hands in a fist and rolling up slightly. Keep the back leg bending and stretch down. Inhale, moving up, and move to the side. Open one leg 45 degrees, bend the back leg, make a fist and rolling up. Inhale, stretch the arms up, moving down, make a fist, rolling up, tracing the kidneys meridian. Come back to center, exhaling down. Place your hands on the side and see how you're feeling now. Start with 2 gates breathing. Inhale, expand the belly, and exhale, focus on your palms. Inhale and exhale as we start with the wave. Place your hands on the lower dantian and start rocking the pelvis, open the chest, sitting but not sitting, and continue undulating the spine and move with the breath. Inhale, open the chest, tilt the pelvis, and exhale down, compress. And now we add the dragon whips its tail. Standing into a horse stance, continue with the wave, but adding the hands movement towards the 3 dantians. We start with the lower dantian. Exhale and inhale, opening the chest, moving the hands, rotating the hands backwards and then inwards. And draw the hands to the lower dantian. Now draw the hands, we continue. Inhale, exhale and draw the hands to the heart. Compress the spine in C shape. Inhale, open the chest and keep on rocking the pelvis. Now draw the hands to the upper dantian, calming the mind. Inhale and exhale, waving and opening your meridians. Moving down, now draw the hands to the middle dantian, opening the heart, calming the heart. As you align the mind and the heart, you harmonize the soul, you regulate your nervous system, and you calm down. Draw the hands to the lower dantian. Inhale, open to the back and exhale, the spine in C shape, and come back to Zhang position, pulling down the sky, feeling calm, connected and grounded. Place your hands on the lower dantian and see how you are feeling now. Calmer and thank you for this practice today. Thank you for practicing with me this Qigong practice. For more White Tiger Qigong videos to boost your vitality and energy, click on the subscribe button below and join the community. Have a great Qi.